Hamish and I have been living here for 4 months.
Great flatmates, but we've definitely been letting the side down for the state of our rooms.
So Hamish is running a Scandi-looking outfit. Things are tumbling out of the wardrobe, overflowing out of his drawers, and then I don't know where he gets his shoe collection from. Can't bring a girl back there, can you? My room's looking as good as it ever has. I've got a strong floor wardrobe in action, dirty clothes behind the door, suits hanging off the top of a surfboard, so there's a few problem areas. It'd be nice to get decent wardrobes, drawers, some sort of a system set up, keep everything off the floor. I think it'll be a month of Sundays in there to knock it into shape, but we'll see how we go.
Morning. How are you, boys?
Yeah,
nice. How are you? See you, give us a hand unloading.
No worries.
It's going to be a big day.
Yeah, looking forward to it.
Good.
Rightio, grab a little bit of that action. Okay, boys, I've seen your rooms, and I think the biggest thing we need to sort out is storage. So, Hamish, in your room, we're going to be building you a wardrobe, but the biggest job we've got to do today is build a headboard, and we're going to clip on some nice little bedside tables. Now, Jack, your big ticket items is wardrobe as well, but we'll also be building you some roll-out storage from under your bed.
Sounds good to me.
Right, have you tidied those rooms?
Oh, yeah.
Come on, let's get into it, eh? Let's start the headboard. Hey, Hamish, come and give us a hand, buddy. While you've been slogging away in there, I've been knocking together this frame for your headboard. We've just made it out of plywood.
Yep.
So all I've done is just screwed it together, a little bit of glue, and then I'm just going to clad it with this mahogany decking. It's really nice and affordable. So we're going to have a skinny board, and then we're going to put a wide board on with a nail gap in between. And I've got these lovely rose head nails, a nice little feature, so we don't want to nail them all the way flush, we just still want that rose head sticking out. So what I'll do is I'll give you the drill, you can start pre-drilling. Okay, Jacko, so what we're going to do is start cracking into making your bedside tables. These are going to be super simple. Once again, we're just using this ply. We're going to build a drawer that goes in it, so you can slide that in and out. Lovely little knob on the front of it. So what I've done is we've already pre-cut them. If you can give us a hand screwing it all up. Tickety-boo, eh?
Tickety-boo.
Yep, oh, yep. Just take it easy there, Tiger. So we're just going to use these little wooden plugs here. We add a little bit of PVA, glue these little plugs in, sand them off, and it just adds for a really nice finish. Okay, Hamish, so what we got here, mate, is these lovely Haefely bedside lights, and we're just going to screw those straight to the side of our bedside tables. The thing I love about this, we don't actually need an electrician to wire these up. We basically just plug these straight into our transformer. Same goes with the strip lighting. You just stick it on and plug it in. Lovely. What do you reckon, man?
Too easy.
Rightio, boys, let me talk you through the wardrobes. What we're going to do is build them out of non-structural ply, keep them nice and affordable, and we're going to make this in two pieces, so kind of modular. So we're going to have this side over here for a little bit of storage and this side here for your hanging.
Get the stuff off the floor, it'd be good.
Yeah. We could put a clip on here and hang your bike on one end and then attach your surfboard to the front here and maybe a little bit of storage up the top too.
Yep, sounds good to me.
Cheers, eh?
Beauty. Just moving on to the aesthetics with a wee whitewash on this wardrobe. Pretty relaxing after having been on the tools.
If you want to grab the casters, then we'll screw that to the bottom, eh? Story, mate. What do you reckon?
Easy. Looks good to me.
Let's get your bike on now, mate. We're just about done. Okay, Jagger, one of the last jobs we've got to do is your underbed storage. Super simple. Now, say if you're hanging up your clothes on the floor, these are going to revolutionise your bedroom, right, mate? It's going to change your life. So what we've got is a piece of ply, a little bit of decking board and casters, so you're just going to roll them out. So basically we want to make a square frame out of the decking, and we're going to screw that to our ply and put our casters on.
Wicked.
A little bit of a tip, these little drill bits here are a countersink and a drill in one. So what that does is allows you to drill the hole. You're not going to split your timber, and then your screw will go in there all lovely, okay?
Yeah, wicked.
I'll leave you to it.
Too easy. Hey, Hamish, you want to give us a hand here
Sure thing,
for a minute, mate?
Sure thing. Nice. Perfect.
All right, we're on the home straight now, Hamish.
What are you planning on chucking in here, Jack?
Oh, full range of miscellaneous goods.
What do you reckon, man?
Yeah, that's awesome.
Looks good, doesn't it?
Real good. Wait till you see mine.
Yeah, just super fizzed up about how well everything's come together.
Yeah, I knew the end product was going to be great. Didn't expect it to be that great, so I'm absolutely stoked.
Outstanding.
I'm stoked with how the headboard's looking, the lights and stuff. It looks perfect, and shoes have found a place now at the bottom of the wardrobe. It looks great.
Hopefully we've seen the back of the wardrobe now. Everything's got its spot. Bike on the end of the wardrobe, the surfboard, clothes under the bed. Certainly got a lot more incentive to keep our rooms in order now than we ever had before.
Be able to spend a bit more time in there now, actually take a bit of pride in it. It's been a great day. We've learned a lot. Stan's taught us a few good tips, and along the way we've picked up things that are always going to be helpful.
We knew we had a big day on our hands, but with a plan and with a little bit of help, it all fell into place. I think the flatmates will be stoked, and it brings the overall vibe of the flat up, doesn't it?
Yeah. Be exciting for us to move on to the next DIY project.
Bring on the next
Feel a lot.
project.
Exactly.